The environmental program,
where the brown rock is.
This is a sundial.
It's just a way that we can capture students' imagination.
It is an outdoor experience, so we are actually leaving the classroom, maybe taking a clipboard or a journal, but we're actually leaving the classroom and we are making our science come alive.
Instead of working out of a textbook, it's kind of boring, but when we come outside, it makes it more real. If you come out here and you learn, then you have somewhere real to learn in, and it's more fun because then you actually get to see it and it's not on paper.
Children do not forget the things that they do. You can read about it and understand it, but when you do it, you own it. And when you own it, it becomes real life learning.
My favorite thing about the environmental program is the pond, because I like the water cycle and the life cycle of the dragonfly because we get to watch metamorphosis. It's pretty cool. I do like it. You can find a lot of living creatures here. Like there's one right there. It's a purple flower that we use. It's mainly for the cover of their insects and the dragonflies, and the dragonflies mainly use it to lay their eggs on.
The shadow would be just straight on top of where it is.
We as teachers help the students bring this learning alive, and they take ownership of their learning. For example, we just finished the plant unit and our students got to research the type of plants that we will be planting. They got to dig the hole, plant the seed, they got to watch it grow, then eventually we got to pick it and put it on a pizza and actually eat it.
The most important thing is that students are understanding the connection between the soil, which we really better depend on and understand and not pollute, take care of it, about growing plants and growing food. We need to go back and make those connections. Food literacy is huge.
Field studies, it's like a field trip, only you can learn. We've gone to Blackacre, Oxmoor Farms, Huber Farms.
So I always want to make sure that learning is relevant and purposeful.
And we've learned and we've compared that place to this place when we come back.
My kids are teaching us a lot. They're teaching us about the ecosystem.
We have really started recycling in our home. They've brought that home from the school.
We offer students an opportunity to learn about things that are going to change their lives as children and as adults. For example, learning to recycle here immediately transfers home. Children get excited about something they're doing at school. They want to include it in their whole lives. It bridges out to their parents. Before you know it, we have a community of people who care about the environment.
And when they're excited about going to school, then they're excited about doing the work, they're willing to learn. It shows in their grades. You don't have to fight with them to get them up in the morning. You know, they get up, they're ready to go, and it makes it easy for a parent.
Hands-on is the key, and it's in their everyday life. So it's across the curriculum, from middle, from elementary, and high school. They are learning about it through writing, through math, through science and social studies alike.
That's why you want to be a part of this program, because it truly does make a difference.
School is cool.